Good morning, Hayward Allen Toyota customers. My name is Jeff Cornelius. I work in the retail parts department at Hayward Allen Toyota. And today we're going to demonstrate all-weather Toyota floor mats in a new 2021 Toyota Sienna hybrid minivan. So check it out. All right, our vehicle today is a new 2021 Toyota Sienna hybrid, all new model from Toyota, and we have a set of genuine Toyota all-weather floor mats that we're going to install in this vehicle today. I'd like for you to take a look and see what you think. Simple as fitting the mat into the floorboard. You will line up both of the blocks and you just give it a twist clockwise, and there you are. All right, for the second row mats, you have a fastener in the floor right here. We have a fitting, it just pops in. So you carefully line the mat up under the seat, line up your snap, and there you are. All right, and this is our third row Toyota mat, same as the second row. It has a fastener on the front, and it just snaps into the floor like so. There we go. All right, and last but not least, we have a center aisle mat, and we're going to install that, and then we'll be finished. To remove it, again, it has a snap front and rear. And then to install the Toyota all-weather mat, you have a snap here and one in back. Fit it just carefully like so. And we're good to go. Okay, Hayward Allen customers, the new set of genuine Toyota all-weather floor mats installed in a brand new 2021 Toyota Sienna hybrid minivan. We offer an excellent line of genuine Toyota accessories for your new Toyota, and we are happy to help. We're very happy to help here at Hayward Allen Toyota. Thank you for your support.